Group camping. Organizing the ultimate experience. When it comes to group camping, the key to a successful adventure lies in meticulous planning. Today, let's delve into the essentials of organizing a shared campsite for a seamless and memorable group camping experience. Choosing the right campsite. Selecting an appropriate campsite is crucial. Look for a location that can comfortably accommodate your group size. Consider factors like available amenities, proximity to water sources, and the levelness of the ground for an optimal camping experience. Early reservations. Initiate the planning process well in advance. Research campgrounds and campsites, and make reservations as early as possible. Securing your preferred location ensures everyone enjoys the trip without last-minute hassles. Coordinated responsibilities. Coordination is key. Distribute responsibilities among the group, designating who will bring cooking supplies, camping gear, and other essentials. This avoids duplication, ensures adequate preparation, and fosters a sense of shared responsibility. Flexibility in planning. While planning is essential, leave room for flexibility. Circumstances can change, and having a well-organized and flexible plan allows for adjustments without disrupting the overall experience. Communication is key. Maintain open communication within the group. Establish a means of communication, be it a group chat or a walkie-talkie system. This ensures everyone is informed and connected, particularly in larger camping areas. Group activities and meals. Plan group activities and meals to enhance the camaraderie. Whether it's a communal dinner, a group hike, or campfire storytelling, these shared experiences contribute to a more cohesive and enjoyable camping trip. Prioritize safety. Have a first aid kit on hand, share emergency contact information, and ensure everyone is aware of safety protocols. Being prepared for any situation contributes to a worry-free camping experience. In summary, group camping is all about thoughtful organization and collaboration. By selecting the right campsite, making early reservations, coordinating responsibilities, fostering flexibility, maintaining communication, planning group activities, and prioritizing safety, you're set for an unforgettable group camping adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camping wisdom to elevate your outdoor adventures. Happy camping!